Welcome to our channel. While Gmail doesn't store traditional phone call logs, if you use Google Voice for calls or have call data associated with your Gmail account, here's how you can access and export that information. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to voice.google.com if you use Google Voice for making calls. Step 2. Log in with the Gmail account associated with your Google Voice number. Step 3. Click on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner and select Calls to view your call history. Step 4. You'll see a list of all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls with timestamps and durations. Step 5. Unfortunately, Google Voice doesn't have a built-in export feature for call logs. To save this information, you can manually copy and paste the data into a spreadsheet or document. Step 6. Alternatively, if you need to export your entire Google Voice data, go to takeout.google.com. Step 7. Sign in with your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Step 8. Click on Deselect All and then scroll down to find Voice in the list of Google products. Step 9. Check the box next to Voice to select it for export. Step 10. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. Step 11. Choose your preferred file format, such as ZIP and delivery method. Download link via email or add to cloud storage. Step 12. Click Create Export to begin the process. Google will email you when your export is ready to download. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.